For demonstration, here we have 13 stitches on my needle, 11 stitches multiple of pattern. Here we make a pattern of 11 stitches plus 2 edge stitches, 13. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times yarn over knit 1, yarn over knit 1, 1, yarn over knit 1, 2, yarn over knit 1, 3, yarn over knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a repeat. Knit 4, 3 times yarn over knit 1, 1, 2, 3, yarn over knit 4. This is 11 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Here we increase 4 stitches which we increase in our next rows. So in this way we repeat this. In this way we make this pattern till the end of row, and this is last edge, knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row, wrong side. In this row knit as knit and purl as purl, yarn over knit. In this row yarn over knit. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn in back. This is yarn over stitch. Knit this stitch 1. Yarn in front. Purl 1. Yarn in back. This is yarn over stitch. Knit this stitch 2. Purl 1, yarn over stitch, knit this stitch 3, purl 1, this is yarn over stitch, knit this stitch 4 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Purl edge from wrong side. Third row, right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. SSK, slip, slip and knit from back loop. Knit 2, 1, 2. 3 times purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, 1, purl 1, knit 1, 2, purl 1, knit 1, 3, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, knit together. That's a repeat. SSK, knit 2, 3 times purl 1, knit 1, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, knit 2, knit together. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row, wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Now 3 times knit 1 and make a bubble. Yarn in back, knit 1. Now we make a bubble. For this make 5 stitches from this 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn over 4, knit again 5. Now take these 5 stitches on your left needle. Yarn in front and purl 5 together. This is heavy. Make our bubble, and this looks like this from right side. Now second time, knit 1, make a bubble. For this make 5 from 1 stitch. 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn over 4, knit again 5. Take these 5 stitches on your left needle, yarn in front, purl 5 together. One more time, yarn in back, knit 1, make 5 from 1 stitch, 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn over 4, knit again 5. Take these 5 stitches on your left needle, yarn in front and purl 5 together. yarn in back, knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3. That's a repeat. Purl 3 times, knit 1, make a bubble, 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much to have? Here we have last edge, purl edge from wrong side. 5th row and right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, SSK, slip slip and knit from back loop. Now 4 times, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, 1, knit 1, purl 1, 2, knit 1, purl 1, 3, knit 1, purl 1, 4, knit 1, knit together. That's our repeat. SSK, 4 times, knit 1, purl 1, 1 2 3 4, knit 1, knit together. Again here we have 11 stitches, 2 4 6 8 10 11. So again we repeat this pattern. How much to have? And here we have last edge, knit edge from right side. 5th row is complete. Now 6th row, wrong side, slip edge, yarn in back and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. 7th row right side, slip edge and again knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. 8th row wrong side, slip edge and knit these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. 9th row right side, slip edge and knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. 9th row is complete. Now 10th row wrong side, slip edge and purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. 10th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 10 rows and after repetition of 10 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So friend, if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.